Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ginseng oolong tea. Start by measuring 2 grams of ginseng per 8 ounces of water and heat to about 90 degrees C. Rinse leaves briefly to awaken aroma, then steep for 2 to 3 minutes depending on taste. Taste early and adjust steep time for stronger or milder cups. Enjoy small sips to appreciate layered flavors and the gentle ginseng warmth. I will show a few practical steeping tips to help your ginseng oolong sing. Rinse leaves quickly, then use short steeps and taste between them to avoid bitterness. Keep a small timer and note which steep gives your ideal balance. Try increasing steep time by 30 seconds for subsequent brews rather than jumping more than a minute. This keeps flavors smooth and lets the ginseng character develop gradually. I will help you find great pairings that highlight ginseng oolong's subtlety. Choose light snacks like almonds or pear slices to complement floral and herbal notes. Avoid heavy or strongly spiced foods that mask delicate aroma. If you want sweetness, add a small drizzle of honey or a thin slice of pear rather than sugar. Sit back and sip slowly to notice how each bite changes the tea's profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.